2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.